In this video we're gonna show you how to do a fascia. We're gonna do the fascia all around. So this is a one by fascia. We're gonna demo it. So the first thing you gotta do is pull all the nails out. You can just pry it off, pull all the nails out, and I'll show you how to do the cuts and angles. Stick around. So after you finish demoing, removing the fascia, you're gonna get measuring. You're gonna measure how many 16 footers, how many 20 footers you're gonna need, so that way you have a pretty close count of exactly what sizes you need for your fascia. So after we do the tally, we're gonna tally how many 12 footers, 16 footers and 20 footers we're gonna need. So there's one 20 footer, another 20 footer. So that's that. 4, 8 and 8 is 16. Plus 4 is 20. So here's another 20 footer. 7 and 9 is 19. So that's another 20 footer. 12 and 5 is 20 footer. 14 and 6. Another 20 footer. 13 and 4, another 20 footer. And then 8, and I guess the rest are 16 footers. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 16 footers. 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 16 footers, 7 20 footers. Esta pieza lo vamos a medir lo que es el corte de adentro. I'm going to measure this fascia with the inside cut. We're at 72 and a half. And then these are plumb cuts. Estos son cortes rectos a lo que es el vertical. No es un straight 90, es un ángulo 4. Ahorita más atrás voy a enseñar cómo sacar el ángulo. Pero el 72 y medio es el corte de la fascia de adentro. ¡Corte! Lo medimos allá, ahorita les saco el video de allá. Medimos la medida de él, entonces este es 72 y medio, corte para afuera, y este es 72 y medio, y también va a ser corte para afuera. So ahí la medimos right there we measured the inside cut for the fascia, and now we're gonna, so that was our inside cut. It was a straight 45 because of our plumb cut. It's a plumb cut usually on the eave rig, the eave side. This is the eave side. usually you do straight 45s, and when your fascia's on a plumb cut, you have to have a plumb cut right there on the gate, on the rake, right on the rake side. So these are straight 45s. That's a straight 45, and now we're gonna get this plumb cut. We're gonna get this plumb cut, and then a plumb cut on this side. So 2 plumb cuts, and then that's a straight 90 cut. So here we're gonna get the plumb cut. The plumb cut is this cut that goes down, and then also this cut that's right here on the table. So the way we find it is you put up a block. Any block will do. And you use a torpedo square. ¿Sí se ve? Sí. And then you get this bubble right on center. This bubble right on center, and that's gonna be your plumb cut. I'm gonna show you where this plumb cut applies as far as that one, and as far as okay. Corte. We're close. So this is gonna be our plumb cut, and this is so our gable meets our rake side meets our eave side, right? And you're gonna cut it at a 45 going inward. Whoops. Because this section is actually longer. This is 5 3/4, and this is 5 1/2. So we're gonna cut this cut half. We'll show you in a bit why we cut it.
Poquito, una pulgada para la orilla.
That's why we have a plumb cut. It's this cut. It's not a straight 45. This is a straight 45, but this is not. This is at a 412, and now it just needs to get fastened down. So that's your eave rake combo. This little notch is because when you cut it at an angle, it increases the width. So we want to reduce it, so it evens out with this equal. So basically, you want to do a straight 90, straight 90 cut, straight 90 cut on the under eaves. So right there would be straight 90, and then right here on the rake, you want to do it at a 4 and 12. So this was square. This is square. It's actually this. No, está bien. Dale. 4 inch. Yeah, la puedes clavar. So that's how you do fascia. Fascia is just fascia is basically to protect your rafter tails, to protect these rafter tails from rotting out, keeping your structure intact. So basically on a fascia, you want to keep your square 90 with a cut in, and another 90 with a cut in. And then instead of a 90, you're gonna go at a 4. At a 4. 412. So it would be like this. Can't really see it, but you get the point. That's where you're going to scribe. And then this cut is actually also a 412. So it would be like this, 412, and cut down. And that's basically how you do your rafter tails. And, I mean your rake cuts and your fascia cuts. And it's not that hard, just needs a little bit of practice. Thanks. Follow, like, and subscribe.